So, ikaw ba ay may cancer? There is one particular food that you should be eating a lot. And this is actually berries, dietary berries. And look at this. This is in PubMed right now. And I want to read this to all of you because it's really interesting. And if you have cancer, you know, you need a lot of advices regarding food. And this is what it says, that the regular consumption of particular foods such as berries may confer specific molecular and cellular protection in addition to the overall epidemiologically observed benefits of plant food consumption, further enhancing health. So if you're really interested on this, just read it. It's in PubMed. And you don't know where to start, you have been diagnosed with cancer, start with berries.